Welcome to the fair. Welcome back, guys.
Come to the Miami-Dade County Youth Fair.
Yay! The best fair in the country. Star Dancer. This ride looks awesome. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been on this ride before, and if not, would you go on it? Do you have a terrible fear of rides like this? If so, why? And either way, I hope you appreciate getting to see it this way. So be sure to smash that like button, let me know, and subscribe, ring the bell. Check other videos here on this channel. Check the POV rides and also the fair playlists. Okay, here we go, guys. This one. Make sure you smash that like button. I'm going on this for you. Actually, I'm going for me too, though. I love these rides, so. But still, smash the like button. Oh, it's great. You got that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you got that 0G coming in. Oh, it's great. I love it. Ah! Ah! Woo! Ah! And we're upside down, guys. Oh, it's hard to even know. It's great. I will show everybody here. All right, that was excellent, guys. Excellent ride. Make sure you go on this whenever it comes to any kind of fair near you. This is awesome. And then the floor comes up, pretty cool. Make sure you smash that like button, and we're going on to our next one right now. Here we go. Have fun at the fair, guys.